Your Vaultek RS500i features an 8-digit keypad designed for quick, responsive input in over 19 million possible combinations. The keypad will auto-illuminate with a built-in proximity sensor. Your master code can be as short as 4 digits or as long as 8, but 6 digits are recommended. The default master code is 1234. To get started programming your new master code, open the safe and locate the program button inside the front door. Press and hold the 1 key followed by the program button together until the LCD screen prompts you to enter your new code. Enter your new code and immediately press and hold the 1 key followed by the program button together again. The LCD screen will ask you to re-enter your new code. Enter your new code and immediately press and hold the 1 key followed by the program button together a third time. The LCD screen will confirm the master code has been changed.